Frank Nero. Frank Nero right there. Or a Kumawood actor be or actor film. Kukumenu ni nyodidi kukumenu no one actor film dama. Eshi ane there. We releasing you. What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was be actor kakra bi ana onya film kakra bi na fofon na mo bonyom sebe kwase anyom saa na ego system nim na mo di teacher ya so but boy bonyom it wasn't that bad he shot a handful of music videos be shows be on when who fly the trend and no so the do but most times hu no odo a na chede oka and many more for no one ho and I'm a boy, okay, many more for one when I honor and then the middle of some Meze Brawaka assembly about Stone Boy and Kelvin Boy. Now, us all up Stone Boy Chow and I say all about Kelvin Boy Chow, the uncle back to Stone Boy. So he is begging the two, Stone Boy and Kelvin Boy, to come back again. Now, no, come back again. The Stone Boy and I left on a track on the Stone Boy. A common letter and also a new record label. And Kevin Boy also was on Adjable into all that on already black seed in H. Does this year already black seed in H and I say Yama Uncle Yamana so on a day. Minim said Kevin Boy up 1,000 Biash and assassin as already the Madino Sabado. Yankasa, your name. So let's move on to the story. Also, musician and actor Frank Nero has begged Stone Boy to forgive Kelvin Boy. Kelvin Boy and his godfather Stone Boy went on their separate ways following a misunderstanding. Speaking in a recent interview with Zion Felix, Frank Nero went on his knees and pleaded with Stone Boy to forgive his son. He also begged Kelvin Boy to let go of anything that is in his heart against his godfather. Frank Nero hoped to see them performing together in this new year. It was his wish to witness Kelvin Boy and Stone Boy's family together again. International Asama or wine. Better than him now, no for any chum screen no do. A bone Frank Nero trying to tell it. Oh, boy, a fresh boy kakra. Freshness kakra with him. Internal, oh no, Asama. He said, Kelvin Boy. Cannabis make them local. Cannabis make them local. Say tema at the massam ya. As some of Frank Nero lekede. So Godfather Stone Boy why you be bim pa. Why you be bim pa. Fashion. No one come back no whether will perform because time and there will be nation no. Na Stone Boy ya Stone Boy so no ya but I there this year no. Oko one separate ways no I shut down when there were one stage and go perform. It's on a Frank Nero so when one shut down he's not shut down the BM and all the comparison into the young talker into Seta. Men fan of World Cup yeah Frank Nero so class so as who music kaya na accident. Kuma would not say we go Sabado. And when that didn't go for my any beanie going through. Yanko and the next story. No, Yako Prophet Najogezi. Ne camp, yes. But for the past week or so, no, he's been trending. He's been in the news for Papa ya sisi amelo kase. Seko Twitter. Na de pede kan Twitter. Ana Twitter. Eko hono ma. Check a trend cinema. Prophet on the trend ho. Gidi kra. Onya agwe. Yang fire na adwene nkwachi kakra oye Shatawale dance artist Shatawale otini baby anala ole tremenim na ade no ba padibi no de momo ole dwe no ho so for be offend Jesus ahun fe oba ebe hye no kom we radio do de Shatawale bo blah 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 a whole lot of issues Shatawale ne birthday do we adachi also because prophecy is there adecha after a day after the birthday, no, he will get shot and all of that. It's in honor so on and it's him no planning the no. So if you idea or he can on him the ombem. It's how my yasha Daniel plan BB. and I didn't kobe yet today we should shatawale some bebre blah 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 in come channel no album in some p dama but then later on you the sana onya no kwa ama shatawale akwa the police custody che say and some bebre we all know about it. You know, fast forward yenim na all the 31st night December 31st night yellow crossover na yellow passover ya ko new year nim no asofo bebre wo kom ha de ya wota wo hihye nkom papa especially prophecy on shada from puntumba ana yi bawu ana yi bayan ana da ma di bodwiragu ma intino oye Mr. Dampare IGP please ping pa akofo Dampare or the newsletter about today our prophet our let's today yankopon ejumudi pa the trade yampon yankopon no small men make any prophecy bia se koka na se wo befro na se wo kada be yi ho nsem a entum nkeyi until 31st night na day amese anka no kwa bo by 1st January nye hu videos of prophecies be from various prophets and pastors but this time around the yan sheda hu bi by no the Nigerians or you be ota my prophecy 31st night pa but this time around no one kada prophecy near Ghana prophecy also your omofia do bi anka dem we be ma hye nkom ye hye iti ono no one sembe people have been talking about Nigel Gazy and then recently a video was trending on social media and with the Nigel Gazy had that one shot top one by a bare chested bibie gugu so bibie sisi so and a small girl be done in channel than the queen na either lovishing methods be na dibi lokodo we saying be na de lokodo and a Ghana forces there ahane Nigel Gazy there be there your dear some naje na la pay and a soften akofa small girl and a soften akiyede and a soften akiyede no one send baby na this year Nigel Gazy about abeka de hey ceasefire lady na o no or a minis into this is what Nigel Gazy is saying. Now the prophet the leader of Prophetic Hill Chapel, Prophet Nigel Gazy, has literally been forced to share a full family portrait online in his quest to tell the world that the young lady he was seen in bed with while shirtless is indeed a niece of his. Now the man of God was captured in many stories yesterday after a video of himself and a young lady chilling in bed that went viral. Just when the stories and the video was getting a lot of reactions online, Prophet Nigel Gazy came out to issue a statement and told the world that the lady many described as a slave queen because of her activities on social media's TikTok is just the daughter of his sister. Well, it appears that many still did not believe him, so he was forced to go home and take a photo with the supposed mother of the girl. Two other gentlemen he described as his brother and the famous Sandra Mante plus another young lady who is supposedly the younger sister of the lady Prophet Nigel Gazy was seen with. Now sharing the photo on one of his Facebook pages, he added the caption, Yehovah, it's a family affair, one to the glory of God. From left is Sister Lydia, Sandra's mom and sister of the Prophet Nigel Gazy. Standing right behind the Prophet is the famous Sandra Ankobia Mante, Prophet's niece. Standing next to her is Christabel Ankobia Mante, Sandra's younger sister and niece of Prophet Nigel Gazy. Next to him, or next to them is Mr. Lawrence Affair and Mr. Kofi Ba, who are brothers of the Prophet. Grace makes sense into some are prophets, you know, or the two or and for you know who's going to do family portraits in order don't know. And for you know, Meda Brown, one can share also do a family affair or your niece, never for herself. Into when I want to social media, muda mo to city, munya to city be a to the data na mo person mo kaka. Some who children paying for. Ona na ose me nka da masem cham. Nti ona na maka cha hono. Nti se hu photo no another video bia o baby a Nigeria Gesi odam pada young girl bi da ne nchena. Also anya bone. Onya ne side chick. Onya ne girlfriend. Onya ne mistress. Oya na ofase. Na ofase nimpon. Into asama now this is Showbiz Buzz right here on Ideas J TV with me, Sika Woman. Know that you can get interactive with us via social media platforms at Ideas J TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to log on to ideasjhonline.com for your credible and authentic news.